Hey guys, we got us a rare snow event here in upstate South Carolina. So I'm going to take this opportunity to cut some boards. I need to finish up my shed, this part of the shed here. So I need to cut some boards for it, and I want to make some runners for stack my logs on. So I got a couple ideas of what I want to do for that. So let's fire this thing up and see how it goes. I guess I could go get the tractor, but I didn't want to take the time to do it. See if I can roll it up there. Alright, this thing hadn't been ran in like 2 weeks, so let's see how hard it is to crank. I left my cant hook up at the barn. So evidently I don't have my saw perfectly level, and when I got to the end of the board, I was pulling that slab off, and the head rolled back and hit the board, and it popped the blade off the wheel. So that's one of the things I wanted to do, was maybe put some sort of brake on it or pin it to where I could take the slab off and it not come back on me. Now, what I could do is lift the back end up a little bit more to where it stops here on the stops and doesn't roll back. So that's the easiest thing to do. So I'll probably have to do that. Let's get this thing adjusted and or get it back on the pulleys and cut some more. Okay, so I have it to where it's not quite level. It's going downhill so that the head, when I get past, will stay. That seems to work pretty good. So it's not going either way, forward or backwards right now. So I think I got that set right. I just got to be careful when I put the logs on that I don't move it. But that's one good thing about having it on this bigger frame. It's so easy to level. Just pick one end up, and that frame's big enough that, you know, it stays level itself. So anyway, let's cut some more boards. I'm running out of daylight. Okay, well, I got those boards finished up. That should be enough to get me to finish up the back of this shed. So let's get everything put up, get in the house, get something to eat.